Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are gearing up the exams, today I am going to show you how to attend exam effectively and maximize your score. So let's dive right in. So I divided this video into many sections. So please watch this video till the end, and so we'll start with the first section, that is read the questions carefully. So first thing first, always read the questions carefully. Take a few seconds to really understand what's being asked. Skimming through can lead to mistakes and you don't want to lose your marks. Section number 2 is start with easy questions. Start with the questions you know best. This helps build confidence and saves time for the toughest ones. And answering easy questions first also ensure that they secure quick marks early on. And section number 3 is manage your time well. Time management is key. Assign a time limit for each section. If you are stuck on a tough question, move on the come back later. This way you don't waste time on the questions and miss others. And section number 4 is structure your answers. For easy or long answers questions, structure is everything. Start with a brief introduction, make clear points, and finish with a conclusion. A well-organized answer is much easier for examiner to follow and award marks. So just remember one thing, that is clear structure is equals to clear marks. And section number 5 is review your answer, and it's a very important section. Okay, so finally always leave time at the end of review your answers. Check for mistakes and make sure you have attempted all parts of each question. Sometimes it's the small things that make the biggest difference. So remember, double check for errors. And there you have it. Simple tips to help you attend questions effectively and get the best result in your exams. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. And good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.